Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to create a ringtone for iPhone iOS 18. For example, if you do not want to use that custom ringtone for iPhone iOS 18 and you want to create a new one for yourself, so how you can create that ringtone. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply turn on the plane mode for some second, and after that, you have to simply turn it off again. And here you have to click on settings, and after that, you have to click on general, and you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. Here you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. Now what you have to do, you have to go to sound and haptics. So if you want to change the ringtones from here, you can simply check for that any ringtone. If you not get that, then you can simply create a new one for yourself. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply open the Apple Store, and you can simply find a custom ringtone on your iPhone article. So here you can simply see that there is an app available on the App Store named GarageBand. So you have to simply open that app, and after that you have to simply click on instrument icon. After that, you can simply create a track for the ringtone, and you can also select the loop. Moreover, you can also add a custom song for your ringtone, and after that you can simply drag it and all the way to, you have to click on tracks view, and after that you can simply trim that section you want to add as a ringtone, and after that you can simply create that audio file, and that audio file will be shared. So you can simply click on tap the share button, and tap ringtone, enter a name for the ringtone, then tap export. If the tone is longer than 30 seconds, tap continue to have GarageBand shorten the ringtone automatically, or tap cancel to return the song. So you can shorten, which means you have to simply create only 30-second song part, so that you can simply use it as your ringtone. So you can simply, if you want to replace the current general tone to standard ringtone, replace the existing general text tone to standard. So you have to simply create your own song, and after that you can simply click on tap done, and after that you can use your ringtone without any problem. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.